Okay, guys, welcome to another video I'm gonna be making for you guys today. Welcome. Very happy to be making this video, guys, and I hope you guys like it. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from whatever part of the world you're gonna be listening to, or whatever time you're gonna be listening to it. So, guys, this is gonna just be a continuation from the previous video. It's about trend lines. Why I'm making this one is going to be part two of the previous video because I didn't actually, I didn't put out everything concerning trend lines because I felt like I was going to confuse people, some people maybe. So I decided to just make it a part one and a part two. So this is going to be part two of trend lines. All right, it's going to be a short one because it's not really much again to say. I said everything in the first video. So first thing first, foremost, like, subscribe to this channel. It's going to be very helpful for the channel. It's going to be helpful for me. It's going to help push this information more across YouTube. And yeah, that's what it's going to really do for us. And as a community and as a channel, that's what it's going to do for us. That's what liking and subscribing to my videos and everything on my channel will do for the videos and my channel as a whole. It's probably going to be relevant to you, maybe, but please, it's going to be relevant to me. Just like and subscribe, right? So let's get into the video. I'm just going to write. It's going to be about trend lines. So I'm just going to write out the trend lines. Mm, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. Trend lines. Oh, what is happening, man? What is happening, bro? I'm going to write it out here. Trend lines. Yep. Okay. Trend lines. Trend lines continuation. Right. Trend lines continuations. So it's really going to be short. I think now we're going to be up to probably not going to go up to 10 minutes. About try to make it shorter than that. So, but if it reaches then, no problem. First thing first. What I want to talk about is we talked about trend lines. We talked about everything we had to talk about trend line was already on the previous video. This is continuation, just to stress more about trend lines that I didn't put in the video, and which is just a little bit of it. It's not a lot. It's not plenty. It's not a lot, and that is trend line. That is counter trend lines. That's what we're going to talk about. Counter trends. That's what we're going to be talking about. Counter trends. Yep. So counter trends is what we're going to talk about. So first thing, I'll just define to you what is counter trend. Counter trend is just from what is saying you're countering trend. All right. So it's an uptrend, but meanwhile you're trading downwards. All right, or you're pulling down trends. All right. Same thing goes vice versa. It's trending down, but meanwhile you're trading upwards. All right. I didn't get me. It's a counter trend. The trend is up, but you're trading downwards. You're drawing trend lines downwards, or the trend is down and you're drawing trend line upwards. It's usually done because the market doesn't move straight up. It's not vertical. It doesn't just move pew to the moon. All right. It goes in waves. All right. You can see, as I said previously, higher highs and higher lows in the previous video makes higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. Right. That's how the market moves. So counter trends, it doesn't. You can see this area here. You can see this is this is an uptrend. You can see this is a higher high, this is a higher low, and this is a higher high, it's higher. You can see it just going like that. So yeah, as you can see, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and the higher high. Can we make another higher low again? So that's the idea. The idea is about because the market moves in that format. Sometimes the market is going down. And this counter trend are usually like kind of like done in lower time frames, alright? You capitalize on them on lower time frames. So now let's you see this now, this is on a weekly. But on the four, if you check out this on the daily, this is gonna be like a downtrend that you can capitalize on. Let's go to the sorry, or let's say the 4 hour. Check out the 4 hour. Uh, Waiting for the 4 hours. Yeah, okay, it's there. Let's check out the 4 hour, you're gonna see there. Okay, still waiting for charts to load. I don't know why the 5G is really messing up today. I don't really know why. Because everything, network is looking nice, everything's looking good. But trend line is down. 5G is, our network is really, it's really not doing us any good here, right? And the chat is off, bro. Okay, I think this is back on again. Guys, please just sorry about this thing that's happening here. Okay, you can see that on the weekly, the trend was an uptrend. But now looking at this, at some point it was a downtrend. Can you see that? At some point, and even and that is what I said on the previous video. That there is things like and the market is a trend. There is the market is also fractal, right? In the sense that there is many trends inside. There is a trend inside a trend. All right. So the market could be an uptrend, but inside the trend, like say in the lower time frame, you see an uptrend or a downtrend, right? And that downtrend probably will just be like a pullback of the higher time frame. So let's say on the higher time frame, you can see this side here now was a positive. Remember, the market is impulsive move correction. So this place now was an impulsive move, and this one was a correction. And you can see that this correction, the market is downtrend at this moment. And you feel me? The market is actually on a downtrend now. So what does that mean? That means that right now the market can be traded downwards. You can draw a trend line downwards. Let's draw a trend line now. All right, this is what they call counter trend. All right, you can see the market is breaking structures to the downside. Right, this remember I drew this on the weekly. You see, this place was a like pullback, but this was the impulsive move. This was the pullback. So this pullback now, this is what they call a counter trend, where you're trading against the trend. It's profitable. Usually, people don't advise to trade against the trend, but yeah, I usually will not advise you anyway. But as a maybe amateur or professional trader, you can train against the trend. Just need to. I think it's the same concept. Just that you have to be careful. One thing about trading against the trend is that you don't need to you don't need to be looking for a lot of moves, all right? Because now you're trading against the trend. So just be looking for tiny short moves, just small moves, just you're in to just take it, scalp it and get out, or let's say day trade it and get out if you're a swing trader. You're not in to hold it for long like you hold. Let's say now you caught this trade. Let's say the market pulled up, broke structure, came back, and you caught this trade now. Let's say you caught this trade now. Now, because you're with the trend, you can hold it as long as so fast it's keep breaking structure to the upside. See, you can even hold it as long as look at this. You can hold it as long as all right. Why? Because you're with the trend. You're with the trend. But let's say you want to go and do the same format in this kind of area here. That's probably gonna hit you back because at this point you're not with the trend. So this is just likely going to be check on the higher time frame. That's just going to likely be a pullback. I don't know if you mean. That will likely just be a pullback. That will be really nothing significant. And then you can see again after the pullback, like this. Sorry guys if this thing is really fluctuating because of network. I don't know his network because I'm using 5G and 5G works very well here. And I don't know his trade view. I don't know or my laptop or my whatever. I don't know what's the problem, but sorry guys. And then you can see this big move here. Alright, so see the market usually would right. You can see this. I bet you this one here now is gonna be a big move. This move now is gonna be a big one. Gonna be a big move. Trust me guys, it's gonna be a big move. So you get me? Because now the correction has ended. The correction is not usually long. The correction has ended. Now a big move will continue. Alright. So that is the thing about counter trading. Now you can trade this. You can come here now. Let's say market broke structure, pulled up, broke structure again, pull back up. You get in here, put your stops right about here. and then target just you just target 1:2 and you're out. 1:2, you're out. Alright. You cannot be targeting 1:4 like you did here. Look at this now. Let's look at this side now. I mean let it pop up again. Let it load. Let the chart load. Chart is loading. I don't know, it's because of the SP500. The SP500 is a very expensive pair to be trading, or should I say a security to be trading. I don't really know what's going on. That's what's really disturbing though. It's really disturbing. 5G? But 5G was the best. I think we need 6G now. So anyway, that is it guys. Okay, I think it's coming, it's trying to come back. Okay, yeah. You can see this now. This was given like for 1:2, almost like you could even get, yeah, 1:2. Let's say stopped here. So it's giving a 1:4, 4.5 reach to reward ratio. But this you cannot be targeting 1:2. Come on, if you're targeting that, market will just kick you out. So this kind of thing, you can target 1:2 and you're done. 1:2 and you're done. 1:2 and you're done. Why? Because you're trading against the trend. Alright, you just want to tap a little bit of it and get out, a little bit of it and get out, a little bit of it and get out. Right? You don't want to be greedy when trading against the trend. Alright guys, so it's just the same way you trade with the trend, the same way you go about it, it's just the same way you go about the counter trend. That's what I want to point out in this part 2 video. But the only thing difference is that when trading against the trend, don't be aiming for much. Alright, just aim for little. Just aim for little and you're out. Aim for little and you're out. Alright, just aim for little. All you do is aim for little. Can't be aiming for much because you're trading against the trend. So guys, as I said in the beginning, there's really not a lot to point out in this video. It's the same thing, but I'm talking about counter trend. I want to tell you guys it's safe to trade counter trend, but you just have to be careful with it. Alright, just have to be careful. Don't aim for too much about it. Alright, just aim for little. Alright, aim for little about it, and then you as you aim like that, you just capitalize on the small moves you're gonna make, because it's not gonna be for too long, because that's not with the trend. You check out on the weekly, you see that this is actually just that this place that we saw during this thing is just actually a very small move on the weekly time frame. Let's check it out. See that is just a very tiny move, like to really not have a lot of impact. I'm really gonna wait for this now. Market is really, it's really disturbing me too. Okay, I think as we wait, I'll keep on explaining. So that is the thing about it. So you just have to be very, let's just say, quicker when trading against the trend. All right. I see. I was watching video. People say don't trade the trend. Don't, yeah, that's that. Some people say if you like that, if you don't want to do that, it's cool. Like don't trading against the trend. If you don't want to do that, it's cool. But because you trade, if you say opportunity, but just aim for small. Don't trade. Don't be looking for large moves. All right. Don't be looking for big moves when trading against the trend. What you just want to look for is just tiny moves that market is going to make. All right, small moves. And probably on the you're going to be on the that's when you're going to be on the 30 minutes to the 1 hour to capitalize on the small moves the market is going to make. You get me? So guys, that is it about trading. Okay, I think it's back on. That's the thing about trading with the trend. So I was saying that if you look at that thing, it's going to just be just going to be guys, if you want to like make your screen just equal, like have a balance, a good shape, just come here and press this A here, and then to just auto screen it, and then it probably is it's too big. Now I just found out actually new since using TradingView. I never knew. I don't know if they put it newly. I've never seen that before in TradingView. So guys, you could see this. See, that was just how many candles of the week. 1, 2, 3. Right, it's just a small move. Just a small move. See, it's just a tiny move on weekly, but you can capitalize on that on the lower time frame to make a lot of pips, a lot of money. So guys, that is it about trading with the trend. Again, I'm sorry, trading against the trend, counter trend lines. See you guys. Thank you very much. Like my video, subscribe. Let's keep the channel going. Peace out. Thank you.